Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's going to be part 2 of fixing things that absolutely annoy me on the E90 M3. So about 2 weeks ago, one of these taillight bulbs went out, and then like a few days after that, on the passenger side, another bulb went out. So today we're going to be just going through and replacing the bulbs that are out on the car. And it's super easy. If you have iDrive, it's like really easy, because iDrive tells you exactly what bulb it is, just in case you're not able to tell. So I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like inside the car. Alright, so we're in the car right now. So if you just go to the menu, and then it should say check control, it should show that light. It says right brake lamp malfunction, and then if we flip to the other one, it will say left two-stage brake lamp. Both of these need to be replaced. So we're going to go ahead and pop out the covers for the actual light boards, and then check which ones we need to replace. Make sure all the other ones are good, because it doesn't make any sense to replace these and then like a week later 2 other ones go out. So we're just going to go ahead and check all of that. So let's go back to the back of the car and get all that done. Alright, so first thing you're going to want to do, I don't know how clear it's going to show up, but there is a panel right here. Actually, let me go ahead and grab a flashlight. Alright, hopefully that's better. You got a flashlight right there. So what you're going to want to do is take off this cover right here, which it should pop out relatively easy. Put that aside. And then inside there, you'll see the light board. All you're going to want to do is this. There's a tab, like right around this area right there. And you're just going to want to push that, I guess, out, and then you should hear a click, and this entire thing should pop out. And I think we figured out which one is not working. Yeah, that's pretty bad. This connector right here, you can actually just probably pop out with your hand. I'm going to go ahead and do this real quick and disconnect this so we can take a better look at that bulb. Alright, so we have it out. So it looks like this middle one is just absolutely burnt to a crisp. So we're going to go ahead and replace that, and hopefully that fixes our issue that we're having. I'm going to go ahead and toss the new one in there, toss that one back in, and then start on the other side, and then we'll go back inside and make sure that everything is good. Alright, so new one is installed. Honestly, I think I'm just going to order the rest of them and just replace all of them, because it looks like all of them are like pretty dusty and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and just order all new ones. Same thing for the other side. But I'm going to go ahead and throw this back in there, and it is super easy. What you're going to do is connect it back onto this, and then it literally just pops in. You'll hear a click once the tab engages, I guess, the other tab, and then you should be all good to go and put the cover back on. Alright, so now on this side, you'll see there's another tab for this. You just turn it to the left and it should pop out relatively easy. Go ahead and put that to the side for right now. And then looking in here, you should see the exact same thing. On this side, push the tab outwards away, should pop out. And then you got to disconnect this connector right here. And then we should be good to replace the bulb. Alright, so I've gone ahead and replaced the one over here. It was, I believe, this bottom one right here that needed, or no, it was this one right here that needed to be replaced. So we're just going to go ahead and pop this all back in. And then it should click like that. I'm going to go ahead and put this back, and we should be all set. Alright, so we're going to go back into the car, make sure everything is all good. Make sure there's no more lights.
X-band, K-band,
We got the freaking
KA-band.
radar going
Laser.
absolutely nuts.
GPS
The only thing
connected.
oh my god. The only thing we should have is the increased emissions, which it doesn't even say. Okay, yeah, all systems good. I need to get a tune for the cats. I need to get a tune because for some reason the O2 sensors don't like the Eurocell cats. So I need to go ahead There's a couple things coming that I'm going to be making videos on probably within the next week or two, maybe. So yeah, those are going to be coming in, and then shortly after that, we're going to get everything tuned. We shouldn't have a check engine light for the increased emissions anymore, and we should be making some decently good power. I mean, these cars, you can't make anything crazy unless you go like supercharger, but it'll have a little bit pep in its steps. So I'm extremely excited about that. Stay tuned for the videos to come. I appreciate everybody who watches these videos. I hope you have a fantastic day.